All right, WMC, this is the video to determine the winner of the Dr. K Dwight Gooden baseball. Our two entries, we had Lucas Trow and Josh Johnson with the Yankees and the Mets. So we're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. We have February 18th at 7:17 p.m. I'm going to go over to the video and type live. We have February 18th at 7:17 p.m. Again, our two entries, just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. We need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Josh is our winner. So, Josh, you will also get the Dr. K baseball. Our verification code and our timestamp, once again, February 18th, 7:18 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.